Greetings everyone.
Hello everyone,
Hi guys,
this is Ilker from Turkey.
I'm from FGV, Brazil.
EGADE Business School.
Yanmin University of China.
Institute of Management, Bangalore.
And I'm a second year student at Yale School of Management.
And the topic that we covered during the week was corporate innovation and corporate entrepreneurship.
It's been amazing.
The professors taking these sessions, they are right at the top.
It's incredible to see the number of participants from different countries that are so interested in this topic.
It is a great opportunity for students from different backgrounds and experiences to gather and to have the time to learn from different points of view of how to do business.
You have the opportunity to learn, to share, to be in the same environment as so many people from all over the world.
And see their different perspectives on issues you face every day.
I got a lot of knowledge and I'm experiencing really great memories here and learning new stuff.
The methods that we use here are quite different because we made our students to get out of the building.
We have visited innovative companies here at Guadalajara.
To get to understand better the different way how businesses take place from a cultural perspective, from a logistics perspective, taking into account infrastructure, geography.
Which has given me a great insight about Mexico and the culture of innovation and entrepreneurship here. I chose EGADE for two reasons. One was the topic, entrepreneurship and innovation, and the second one was EGADE School in itself, which is one of the best institutes in Mexico.
It's a big organized institution with an amazing campus, good food, and we're having so much fun and really enjoying the experience of the Global Network Week.
When you come to the institute itself, you'll notice a serenity. This campus is beautiful. The people here are very sweet.
And also, our students had the opportunity to know more about the culture here in the state of Jalisco and to explore the fascinating city of Guadalajara.
The city of Guadalajara is very beautiful.
The people, the service, it's so good.
And not to forget about the beautiful culture that this city has.
Guadalajara is such an emblematic city from Mexico.
So we look forward to see you next time, and you will be always welcome to Guadalajara.
Thank you, EGADE.
Obrigada, EGADE.
Gracias EGADE.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद EGADE.
谢谢大家。Teşekkürler EGADE Business School.